Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
In this video, we'll show you how to change the air filter on a Dacia Duster 2 1.0 TCE. For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. You can see the air filter in the top right-hand corner of the engine compartment, under the windscreen frame. Then lift both holding latches on the airbox cover. Then remove the cover.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Remove the plastic rack. Take the new filter. Compare it to the old one to make sure they are identical. Remove the old filter from the plastic rack. Replace it by inserting the new one into the rack. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any remaining impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. Put the rack back. Put the cover back on, taking care to place the spurs into the right places. Then close the two latches. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.